The Divide tool divides overlapping artwork into individual parts. This is a way to create artwork without drawing it yourself. On my screen, I have several built-in artwork designs. Using the Divide, Clip, and Weld tools, you can create a flower complete with leaves and stems from these parts. This will show you how the tools work. In the Sequence View window, select the dark pink heart. In the Properties window, remove the check mark in front of Fill and then click Apply. This is a visual aid for video purposes. In the Sequence View window, hold down the Control key on the keyboard and then select both of the hearts. Click on the Arrange tab, choose Transform Artwork, and then Divide. The software divides the artwork pieces where they intersect. The hearts create 3 pieces of artwork when divided. Separate the sections and delete any that you don't want. We just created the flower leaves. Change the color tile to green. In the Sequence View window, hold down the Control key and select all of the parts of the cherry except the stem. Press Delete. Click on the square and drag it on top of the cherry stem. In the Sequence View window, hold down the Control key and select the cherry stem. The square is already selected. Select Transform Artwork and then Clip. Click off the artwork, click on the square, and then press Delete to remove the square. Click on the stem. Move it on top of the leaves. Place the cursor over the rotation handle and rotate it into an appealing position. Pull outward from a corner to make it larger. In the Sequence View window, hold down the Control key and select the leaves. The stem should already be selected. Select Transform Artwork and then Weld. The stem and leaves are now one object. Change the color tile to green. Click on the flower, move it on top of the stem. Rotate the flower into position with the rotate handle. For more information about this and other Brother products, visit your local authorized Brother dealer.